Hey YouTube, my name's Jeff Van Vost, and we are kicking it Van Vost style. If you like our video, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment. We want to hear what you think. We are trying a new format, and we want to know. Well, we are looking at about a year since I first bought the RV or the motorhome. We have not gone full-time at this point in time. I am looking at doing that probably either right at or a little bit after I hit that 1 year mark in February. That's my goal anyway. If it goes a little bit longer, it'll probably go up into August. Only for the simple reason my lease with the Sticks and Bricks is actually up in August, and I don't know if my daughter and her boyfriend are going to be able to take over the lease with the Sticks and Bricks right now or not, but we'll know that soon. We're kind of going to go a little bit different direction from here on out. A lot of the videos that we've watched with some of the RV channels, it seems that they started out doing a lot of instructional videos, and then kind of once they got their momentum going, it seemed that they could kind of do whatever they wanted to, and they kept their subscribers. We're at 300 and I believe 14 on last look. I've still got to get to that 1,000, and a lot of things that I'm seeing from some of the newer channels, or some of the channels that are really taking off, are a lot more instructional videos or informational videos. And I'm going to do that. We still have 314 subscribers that subscribe because they love our family. And so I don't want to go away from that. But we need to do more informational stuff. Again, I've had the RV for a year. Has it all been peaches and cream? No. I've had an inverter issue that we're actually dealing with now. I've got one ordered that we're going to have to replace. That's about $13 with the control panel. That's $1,500. We've had some issues with our tires. We've had some issues with the generator that I've got right now that I haven't broke into. The renovation that we did, it really didn't cost us that much, but there's still those expenses. So thinking that you're going to get into RVing or full-time RVing and your costs are going to be minimal, they may be. Starting out, they may be. Be prepared to know that things are going to break. It's just like owning a car. Things are going to break. Even if you have a fifth wheel or a travel trailer and not a motorhome, things will still break. You're still going to have expenses. So know that going into it. The other thing is, I know this. I've seen channels where you've got people living in an RV 6+, and it's all great from what you're seeing. I got to tell you, the last trip that we took, which was myself, Megan, Mike, and Caitlin, by the end of the month, I was ready to strangle someone. So be prepared for that. I don't have a partner right now. I would love to have one. Any single ladies out there? I'm single. Just kidding. Would love to have a partner. I don't have a partner traveling with me, so I'm traveling with my daughter, her boyfriend, and my granddaughter. Now, my granddaughter is just above 1 year old, and she gets into everything. We've also got 2 dogs that we travel with. One's a husky, and then one's a red tick hound. The red tick hound, she just wants to be left alone. Leave her alone. The husky's still a puppy. He'll actually be 1 in February along with the RV, and she still is a puppy and gets into a lot of things. So I've got a granddaughter who's a little over 1. I've got a husky who's about to be 1, and you can only imagine. But be prepared for that. It's always great to say, you know what, I'm my own boss, we're out on the road, and we're living the dream. You are, and I don't want to discourage you from that, but be prepared to know that even if you have traveling with your grandkids or your kids or your partner, You're in a very small, cramped space. I don't care how luxurious your RV is. It's still there. You're still camping. You're still either boondocking or you're going to travel parks. And there are rules at every different park. It's still not like being at a Sticks and Bricks at your home. I'm parked here. I'll be honest with you, because my kids are in the house, and that's kind of their deal. I can pretty much live in my RV while it's parked at my Sticks and Bricks that I pay rent on. Go figure. But for me, for just me, I enjoy being out here. I call it my mini man cave. It's great. Being on the road with other folks, it's going to get cramped. Rainy days, weather's going to depict that. You're not going to go on adventures every single day, especially if you're full-time RVing. There's going to be days that you can't. There's going to be days that you didn't plan for that, and you're going to be stuck in the RV because of weather. Be prepared for that. These are things that I just wanted to bring to your attention just in the year that we have had the RV. And again, I'm not full-time yet. I do plan on doing it. It has not discouraged me. I would love to find someone to travel with me, but I don't want just anyone, of course. I want to find that person who's meant for me. That's another video. But be prepared for these things. That's what I'm trying to relay to you. Things are going to happen. There are going to be expenses that you didn't plan on. Now, ways to make money. Right now, I'm retired, semi-retired. And one way that I've found to make money is by YouTube. I haven't made a dime yet. Again, we're at 314. We've got to get to 1,000, and we need 4,000 minutes watched, or 4,000 hours watched. We're not there yet. I'm hoping to get there by February. Need your help, if you would. Please make sure, if you like this video and you like the direction possibly that we're going, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. But we've got to reach that. That's one way to make money. I have my salsa, which I've made a little bit of money. These are things that I make. If you're planning on doing something like that and selling things that you make or homemade, be prepared to know that you can't carry a lot of merchandise in an RV. So things need to be small. I can actually make my salsa right here in the RV. And it's just as good if I made it at the Sticks and Bricks. So be aware of that. Amazon is another way to make money on their partner program. You won't make a lot, but it is another way. There are hundreds of things that you can do to make money while you're out on the road or retired and looking for some extra income or supplemental income. Work camper. You can go to different RV parks and work as custodial or checking people in. I've looked into that. It's something definitely that I would venture into looking into more because I like things like that. That's what I'm trying to get at, is make sure you do your research. Before you sell everything that you own, before you say goodbye to friends and family, make sure that you've done all the research into getting involved into RVing full time. I'm doing still in the process of doing that. Make a spreadsheet, make a budget, find out what it's going to cost you. I'm not saying that you have to be debt free. You don't. I'm not debt free. You can do this. The other thing is, if whatever your spiritual background is, a lot of prayer. Get on your knees and find out what direction the good Lord has for you. It may not be this. Anyway, I wanted to share. Again, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment if you like the direction that we're going now. Or just leave me a comment and say hi. Thanks for watching. 314 subscribers is what we have right now, and that's because of you. Thank you very much.